I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by retrieving a valid backup code from your Roblox account. Open Settings, choose Security, and access two-step verification. Do this now so you don't get stuck mid-process. Once you see the list, copy a single backup code to your clipboard or write it down. This is your immediate fallback. Make sure to keep it private and off shared devices. If you're using a password manager, add the code as a secure note. This first step prevents account lockout while you continue. When you reach the two-step prompt, select the option to use a backup code rather than an authenticator app. Paste or type the code exactly. Visually similar characters like O and 0 or I and L can cause a fail. Once accepted, Roblox will let you through but consumes that single-use code. Make sure to generate a new set if you're running low. After entry, review your security settings and relink or reconfigure your authenticator if that was the reason you needed the backup code. Complete the process by replacing used codes. Go back to two-step verification and generate a fresh set immediately. If a backup code fails, double-check for copy errors, ensure you're using the most recent set, and verify your device clock is correct because time skew can affect flows. If multiple attempts fail, clear cache or try a different browser. Only contact Roblox support after exhausting these steps and be ready to prove account ownership. This avoids delays and secures your access fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.